The idea of World Environment Day was born 52 years ago at the 1972 UN Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm, Sweden. It was the first world conference to make the environment a major issue. It was born out of understanding that we need to stand up to protect air, land, and water on which we all depend. World Environment Day was celebrated for the first time with the slogan, "Only One Earth." World Environment Day is held on June 5th every year. It unites people across the globe to raise awareness about environmental challenges like climate change and pollution. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme to advocate environmental causes. The theme of World Environment Day 2024 is Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. The slogan of this event will be "Our Land, Our Future, We Are Generation Restoration." Land restoration is an important pillar of the theme of World Environment Day 2024, and organizers want to unite people around the world to restore ecosystems. Our ecosystems, that is forests, wetlands, oceans, are more vital to life, yet they face enormous pressure from human activities. Restoring ecosystems means more than just planting trees. It involves reviving the natural processes and relationships that sustain life. Land restoration is a powerful tool to combat desertification and drought. Desertification is a process of land becoming dry, arid, and desert-like. Drought is a period of abnormally dry weather that lasts for a long time. Land restoration can help to reverse these effects by improving soil health, increasing water retention, and promoting the growth of vegetation. Land restoration benefits both people and planet.